This is a room tour of a king room at Aria. As you come in, you've got your closets. Both of them are the same. You've got the drawer space. I'll just move the case out of the way. And you've got robes in there, which is nice. And the bathroom is on your left. You've got double sinks, which is very nice. Lots of lighting, very nice area. Your toilet is in here, complete with a phone if you need it for any reason. And then you've got your bath and shower combination, but it's much better than a normal bath and shower combination because you've got a separate shower area and a separate bath. And you've got all the products you should need. It all looks very fancy. It's all posh for what we're used to. We're usually staying in Luxor and things like that, so it's nice to have a bit of luxury for a couple of nights. You've got a full-length mirror there. And then into the bedroom area where you've got a king-size bed, a couple of lamps, good lighting. These pillows are meant to be amazing, so we'll see what they're like. And then you've got your desk with a seat, big telly, and then you've got ports on for the desk, so that's good. And then you've got all your do not touch stuff, your full mini bar, but we won't be touching any of that, and your snacks and things. Then you've got a couple of lamps and a chair and a table, a couple of chairs and tables, and then I'll open the blinds so you can see what it looks like. And we've basically got a mountain view. It's a very nice view actually. It's just a shame they haven't cleaned the windows, so I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see on the GoPro through the window, but it's a nice view of the mountains, bit of palms. You can see the Vidara, and over in that direction as well. So that's a room tour of a Aria King Room.